Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing the unboxing of the Cascades Neopolis by GHR Infra, Lakshmi Infra and Urban Blocks Realty. The project is located in Nana Karamguda, Neopolis district, Hyderabad. But before starting, let me show you the surrounding project. As you can see, I am standing at the exact location of the project and this behind me is your marketing office. And that right there is the land parcel. Now, let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So you see, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with a lot of brokers. But with Housey, listing is done directly by the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Now, in this video, we will be discussing the below points like the project overview, location and connectivity, amenities internal and external, parking provision, master plan, floor plan, unit plan, construction update and possession. So let's get this video started. Now coming over to the project overview. The Cascades Neopolis is an ultra luxury residential which is spread over approximately on 7.34 acres of land parcel. 5 towers with 2 basements plus 5 stilt, parking plus ground floor plus 63 floors having 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK premium. Coming over to the location part, as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project and the project is located in Nana Karamguda, Neopolis district, Hyderabad. This is your connectivity and that road leads you exactly to your main road. Now, the connectivity highlights is Rajiv Gandhi International Airport is only 20 minutes drive from here, Gachibowli being 20 minutes and Financial District being only 10 minutes away. The outer ring road exit is also just 2 minutes away from here. Coming over to the amenities part. Internal amenities. All the apartments are designed with spacious layouts with large balconies and expansive views. Premium finishes, quality fittings, smart home automation, Google and Alexa compatible. Coming over to the external amenities. The project comes with world-class lifestyle amenities including infinity pool, rooftop sky pool, clubhouse, cycling track, VR gaming zones, private helipads and many more. Now, the parking part. The project has 2 types of car parking facility, basement and stilt. Now, coming over to the master plan. So this is the master plan of Cascades Neopolis. As you can see in the image, there are 5 towers, ground plus 63 floors. Now, let's have a look at some of the floor plan. Tower A, each residential floor has 4 flats served by 6 plus 2 lifts
and 2 staircases.
Now let's have a look at the unit plans.
The unit plan for 3 BHK is 2,560. The unit plan for 3 BHK with maid room is 3,390. The unit plan for 4 BHK plus home theatre plus maid is 4,825.
Now, let's have a look at the current work status. The project is currently under construction. The Cascades Neopolis has been launched and construction is actively progressing on the site, as you can see. Coming over to the possession part. Expected possession March 2030 onwards as per RERA. So everyone, this was the unboxing of a residential project, the Cascades Neopolis by GHR Infra, Lakshmi Infra and Urban Blocks Realty, which is located in Neopolis, Kokapet, Hyderabad. Lastly, do not forget to subscribe to Housey for more such amazing videos.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.